What's up, everybody? What's going on? What's going on? It is 6:20 p.m. I am at a service call, but this call just came in last minute. So I was getting my van fixed. They had to replace something called a booster, whatever that is, for they had to replace that. It's called a booster. They had to replace that for the power steering fluid. Basically, I had a leak yesterday, and that's what it was. It was leaking from the booster. So I went to go pick up my van, and the service call just came in, and I was actually cutting the grass. So I'm in my grass boots. I don't really have my uniform on. I just have my shirt on. So I'm not really ready. I don't have my camera, so I'll be recording this off of my phone. Just want to show y'all the time. 6:21 p.m. So let's see what we find. I just got here. Okay. Golly. Look at that, boy. Wow. Alright guys, let me get some pictures. So that filter is disgusting. It's clogged. Outdoor unit is not running. Alright, so let me get some pictures. I gotta get pictures of the model, the serial. And we'll go from there. The issue is most likely outside. Fan is running. Compressor is definitely not running. So it might be a capacitor. It might be a simple capacitor. I don't mean to bore y'all with the capacitor videos, but that's what's going on. So let's check it out. I'm gonna set this up, my tripod. We'll go from there. Compressor is not running. I got no amperage. Let's check this out. Take off that disconnect. Take off the common wire and the yellow wire, which is the arm. Got 0. On the fan side, I got 4. So it is the capacitor. But look at this. Look how dirty that is. Look at that. That's dirty. Good thing I got these on, because I might wash it. So let's go get a cap. Let's see what this is. There's so much mosquitoes out here. This is a 45.5. 45.5. Spray some of this on me, boy. It's that repellent. So we got the new one. 45.5. The brown is the fan. This is the Herm. The yellow is the Herm. disconnect in. Make sure it comes on before I clean that coil. So the system is running, pressure is running. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, clean this out. This thing could use a very good cleaning. Ooh, especially the back. So I took that off, but somebody had texted me, so I guess my phone stopped recording. It was easy to take off though. So check this out. So this thing definitely gonna benefit from this cleaning. Look at that, boy. Thing's dirty, boy. How you doing? My bad, I didn't mean to put that in your way.
I had to walk through that. Walk through that.
Nah, you fine. Alright, so I let it sit here for a few minutes. Now I'm about to go rinse this off.
So I'm about to go ahead and put my wires back together. We're gonna get a zip tie for that. I'm gonna put a screw, just about 2-3 screws, then I'm gonna put the disconnect on so I can get this system running. All right, guys, so it's 7:46. The good thing is I ain't too far from the house. There's something wrong with this, but yeah, I took this service call because I was nearby, and like I said, I picked up my van. It was at the mechanic. But yeah, it just shows you guys how time flies. Sometimes it's just a capacitor, sometimes you got to do extra stuff. So God bless everybody. God bless.